Welcome back, friends. How are you? In this video I am going to talk about my English practice, and as you know that I have completed 170 day. Today is 172 day of my consistent English practice, and I have told you many times that I am consistent in speaking and listening only. But I started reading newspaper, writing English. I started both reading and writing, but again sometime I am very serious, sometimes I am not serious in practice. So these things are happening, but I am consistent. I am not quitting, I am not leaving practice. Okay, right now I am not able to talk in English. I don't know why this is happening, but I am feeling nervous, I am feeling stuck. I cannot speak very well. I am trying. I deleted many clips. I am trying again and again. I am taking retakes, but I don't know what happened. I am not able to speak as I used to speak. Okay, so this is happening, and I don't know what to do. And still, I am trying to speak. Okay, let me put this camera. Okay, I have placed. I have keep this phone in front of me now. This is a temple, Khandoba temple. No one is here, and I am getting silence. No, I am getting free time. I am alone here, so this is my place right now. Okay, I can practice. Here it is a bag. I want now. I come here 1 hour before I come here, but still I am just making this video and trying to speak. Now I have to write something. I have to read newspaper. Then I have to listen something in English. So many practice is remaining. And if you are watching first time, this sentence is very used to. If you are watching first time, then do subscribe, be connected to the channel, and be the part of my English journey. So this sentence is not very hard to speak, because I have spoken this particular sentence many times. So that's why this is happening. And I had a session with Vinita ma'am. You may have seen that, and she also told me that whenever we are in intermediate level, then we feel stuck, and it happens because we are sometimes we do not practice more. So practicing more and more is again very important. Only consistency is not going to take away from that hesitation. More and more practice is important, okay, with the consistency. Now I am going to start my practice, and I am going to stop this video here. I am not going to make this video very long, because already I am feeling hesitant today. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in next video. Thank you. Bye.